Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to a classic, the Diamond Clutch Wallet by Teresa Lucio Designs. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this clutch wallet. So as you can see here, it has a flap. When you open that up, it opens up to 8 card slots vertically here and 6 horizontal ones here. A slip pocket and a slip pocket for your bills or receipts. On top, there's a generous coin pocket. And on the back, this is my favorite feature of this clutch wallet, is you have this slip pocket under here. And one thing that's great, I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max in a case, and it fits in there. So this is the perfect on-the-go clutch if you just needed to grab something. You didn't want to carry a whole purse, you could definitely carry this. It's also a great wallet to throw in your purse. I have made myself, these are 2 of my personal ones that I actually made back in the day when I first started sewing, and there's still 2 of my favorite wallets. So it was a lot of fun to be making another one. It can be made in cottons like these ones are. It can be made in canvases. It can be made in leathers. It can be made in vinyls. Whatever you want it to be made in, I can make it for you. So if you would like to order one of these in your choices of fabrics, textiles, hardwares, etc., you know what to do. All that information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!